Day 42. We're taking her easy again today. Just left Four Pines Hostel. Had a good night, set the tent up. No condensation this morning, thing of beauty. Got about 16 and a half today, but I'm going through Virginia Triple Crown, so it's supposed to be some pretty good views and it's a clear day. Stars are aligning. Let's go and check it all out. It's having a little first lunch, you could call it. Found my honey buns, some jerky, and a Cliff Bar. Like, nothing crazy. 10 more miles today, and then it's 10 tomorrow. So right on schedule. Let's get to McAfee Knob. Almost there. McAfee Knob did not disappoint because I got a free sandwich. There were some kids there who required a lighter, so I graciously provided them with one, and they came back like, "You want some crackers and a turkey and mayonnaise sandwich?" And I was like, kind of more than anything. So it all worked out. Let's go find some water. That's actually delicious. Thank you, random kids. Like, this one really means a lot to me. Boy, I gotta start bringing cheese out here. Maybe just pack out like a lunch sandwich for the first day out of town. This could be a game changer. Just a couple miles to go, 3.5 or 4. Should come up to Tinker Cliff soon. And then settling down way early tonight. Short days are nice. What's up, moo puppers? Super random. I think this is Tinker's Cliff, okay, something like that. Hee-hoo. It's a dandy today. I know I say it a lot, but I love hiking. This is absolutely worth it. Man, just constant lookouts on this one. Ooh, okay, this might be the break spot. Yep. So I'm pretty sure today I started like down there and followed this ridge all the way around and then up to here. That's groovy. Trail legitimately runs right along a cliff. Alrighty, folks, I'm rolling into camp. My shoes are way too tight. Speed goats, don't like them official. Even the wide version. But yeah, rolling into camp. I will catch you tomorrow. It's a half day into Daleville. Looking forward to that. And new shoes.